Okay, so this will be the lesson one to learn French. Of course, we have to start with the letters to know how to pronounce. So this might be long, but you can always come back and practice. So I will first say all the letters without any comments, and then I will say them again with comments. So I will start now. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So you will notice it's the same letters as in English, but you don't always pronounce them the same way. Okay, I will say them again, but this time I will comment. A. So we say A. Not always, but usually we pronounce A. Don't say A like in English. So it's A. Example, if I say here, pardon, this means sorry. See, I say pardon. I say pardon. Pardon. So A. Pardon. B is the same. C. C we pronounce like S or like K, depending on the letter after. This is exactly like in English. Example, in English we say bicycle. See, the first C we say like S, and the second C we say like K. This is because of the letter after. In French, bicycle is bicyclette. Same thing. First C is like S, and the second C is like K. And the rule is exactly the same. D is pronounced like in English. So we say but sometimes it's pronounced not exactly the same. But if it's like this is called an accent. This is called accent aigu. Accent aigu. If it's like this, it's always E. This is accent grave. Accent grave. If it's like this, it's always E. If it's only it can change a little bit. But if it's like this, it's always E. And this one is always E. It's E, E. F. This is like in English. G. This can be G or G, like in English. It's the same thing. H. H in French, you never pronounce it. You don't do it. Example, this means man. See, there is a H, but I don't say E. This is E, huh? F-I, E. It's pronounced E. When I say E, it means this letter, not this one, okay? This is E, and this is E. So if I say in French E, it means this, like that, E. J. J is always je, but you see, in French, it's only one sound. Say je, not je. In English, there's two sounds, D and G, je. Not in French, it says J, je, only. Okay? K, same, K, K, L. L is not pronounced exactly the same way in French, but you will learn how to say it. L, not L, but L, L. M, same, N, same, O, this is O. P, same, Q, this is always or nearly always with the U, make the sound K. R, R is pronounced in French in a specific way, not like in English, like that, and not a rolled R like in Spanish or Russian. In French, this is R, like that. Again, if I take this word, pardon, see, pardon. I didn't say pardon. I didn't say pardon. I said pardon, pardon. We will need to practice how to say the R correctly. Pardon, pardon. Okay, now S, same as in English. T, same. U, say U, not U, huh? U. V, W, in French we say W and not W, because it's not W, it's double V, so W. In French it's pronounced V, like the V, V, but we don't use it very much. X, pronounced X. Y, pronounced I, exactly the same as I, I, Y, I, pronounced I, I. Z, Z. Okay, and now we have those. Those are called in French semi-voyelle, half vowels. But actually it's not half. It's a real vowel, but we write them with 2 letters or more. So if you see example O-N, it's only one sound. Sound on. I will say them. On, en, un, wa, and un. Wa is more than one sound, but all the others it's only one sound. So I will say the vowels again all together. A, E, I, O, U, Y, pronounced I, on, en, un, wa, un. Those are all the French vowels. Also here, E, E. Okay, E, E. I'll say it again, including E, E. A, E, I, O, U, I, on, en, un, wa, un, E, E. So those are all the vowels. It's important to say them correctly. Many people who are not English at the beginning have difficulty to say them, but you need to practice and say it correctly. It's very important, especially on, en, un, here, on, en, un. There are in many words. Wa is very easy to say. For example, moi means me. Un is not in many words, but except the, well, some are common, some are not. Example, aucun, none. Okay, and you see here, AU, here is O actually, pronounced O, same as O. We have many ways to write the same sound. Okay? So we'll have to learn this little by little. So again, on, en, un. So if I say, for example, pont, pain, pain. See, only the vowel sound change, but it's 3 different words. Pont means bridge. Pain means the end of a shirt, and pain means bread. So you see, it's important to say the sound correctly. Pont, pain, pain. Pont, pain, pain. Okay? Moi, easy. Example, if I say toi et moi, it means you and me. Toi is you, et is and moi is me. And in English, we say in French, et. So again, it's written et, but you pronounce et, same as et here. Okay? Toi et moi, you and me. And here the sound un, like in aucun. Yeah. Okay, so let's say a few words again one last time. Pont, pain, pain. Moi. Toi et moi. Aucun. Let's say those. Bicyclette. Pardon. Chemin. You see, chemin is with CH, like in English, but in French we don't say ch. It's only ch, only one sound. CH is one sound, ch. Chemin. You can recognize here the un. That's here. Chemin. Homme. Table. You will notice that when I said table, I didn't pronounce the E. Okay, now I'll always say the letters in French. Table, I didn't pronounce the E, but it's exactly the same as in English. Table, don't pronounce the last letter. In French, many times we don't pronounce the last letter, as in English. So let's say the words again. For example, here, pont, you see there's a T here. I do not say the last letter. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. But here in that word, we don't say the last letter. So we have P, and then the sound O, and the last letter that we don't say. Pont, pain, pain. Moi, toi et moi. Aucun. Let's say those again. Bicyclette. Pardon. See the O-N here, same as here. Oh. Pardon. Chemin. Like I said before, CH is only one sound. Ch. Then there's the E, exactly the same as here. And the un, exactly the same as here. Chemin. Homme. Again, we have the sound O. O. Like I said, we don't say the H. And we again don't say the last letter E. So it's homme. Table. Table. Again, the A is exactly the same as here. Table. Sometimes the A's, the A, should I say, is not said exactly the same way, but we will learn for each word. Here we say table. Table. Same as here. Pardon. Table. Okay. And now in the next lesson, we will see a few common words like please, good evening, and numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and stuff. Okay? Let's see you in the lesson 2.